Hello Rickets, today we're gonna make dragon roll. Let's spread out the rice and the seaweed. Let's put some cream cheese, asparagus and cucumber, and then we're gonna put shrimp tempura. That's really crispy. Look at this. Look at this, dude. That's crunchy. So let's roll it. Let's match with the maki soup. And then we're gonna put some avocado on the top, sliced avocado. And then we're gonna put masago. We're gonna put the plastic wrap and then let's mash again. This time we're gonna cut 10 pieces. Let's mash again to take off the plastic wrap. So we're gonna put on the plate. Then we're gonna put the wasabi and ginger. And then let's put some eel sauce. Look at this dude, it's ready. Thank you for watching my video. See you, bye bye.